Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python programming language for beginners. Start by understanding Python's core concepts like variables, data types, and control flow. Focus on hands-on practice. Writing small programs reinforces learning effectively. Utilize interactive tutorials and online courses that provide immediate feedback. Consistency is key, so dedicate a small amount of time daily to practice and review new material. This approach builds a strong foundation quickly. Once you're ready to code, setting up your environment is the next step. Install Python from python.org, ensuring you add it to your system's path during installation. Next, select a good IDE. VS Code is a popular free option, or PyCharm offers more advanced features. These tools provide syntax highlighting, debugging, and code completion, significantly enhancing your learning experience. A well-configured environment makes coding much smoother and more enjoyable. To truly grasp Python, focus on its core concepts. Start with data structures like lists and dictionaries, which are crucial for handling collections of data. Then, move to functions, learning how to define and call them to make your code more organized and efficient. Finally, explore object-oriented programming with classes and objects. Consistent practice with small projects, like a simple calculator or a to-do list app, will solidify your understanding of these essential building blocks. As you progress, consider exploring advanced topics. Dive into web development with frameworks like Django or Flask to build interactive websites. For data enthusiasts, libraries such as NumPy and Pandas are indispensable for data analysis and manipulation. Remember, continuous learning and building projects are vital for growth. Also, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Keep coding and exploring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.